Hey guys, quick update. Over the last month and a half, I've been creating content on LinkedIn around marketing, e-commerce, data, and business, and the response has been amazing. So many of my posts went viral. Because of that, I have decided to take things a step further. I've created a landing page where you can get free templates and frameworks for Notion, Excel, and Google Sheets for both marketers, entrepreneurs, students, data professionals, and business leaders. Going forward, that's the kind of content you'll be seeing on this channel, both short form and long form. Thank you to everyone who's been following me over the last 2.5 years. I've learned a lot working with brands, and now I'm using that experience to build something of my own. I'm focusing more on digital products these days, not so much on physical products, and I'm excited for what's next. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.